Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to build WordPress website using SOP WP So kindly open browser in your laptop and enter SeekaHost.in. So after entering into the SeekaHost dashboard, you can see the services option. Under the services, click on WordPress hosting. So once you have entered into the WordPress hosting page, there you can see Get Started button. Kindly click on it. It will take to you to show WordPress hosting packages. So here, select the standard hosting one. So kindly click on the select option. So after selecting the standard package, it will ask you to choose a domain name. Here you can register your new domain, or you can transfer a domain, or you can use your own domain. So I am going to use my own domain. So kindly click on use own domain. So here enter your domain name. In the next box you can enter your domain TLD. So after entering your domain name and TLD, kindly click use option. In the next page, you can see the package configuration details. So please come down. Here you can choose your package building cycle. So kindly click on the building cycle as per your wish and please come down. Here you can see the additional information. In this additional information, you can install your WordPress directly from here. So kindly select the script as WordPress and enter the admin name as per your wish and enter the admin pass for your password. So in the directory option, kindly leave it as empty so it will load with your original domain name. So after entering the additional information, kindly click on continue. In the review and checkout page, you can check your packages and then domain names. So here we have selected standard package. So I have entered my domain name. So everything is good. And please come down. Next option, you can see the billing details. So if you are an existing customer, so you can enter your email addresses and password here and click on the login. Or if you are a new customer, kindly click on the create a new account and enter your personal information. So after entering the personal information, please come down. Here you can see the payment method. Kindly select the payment method as per your convenient. So after selecting the payment method, you can see the terms of services. So kindly enable the terms of services and click checkout. Yeah, after clicking the checkout, it will lead you to payment method option. So there you can choose your payment option and make your payment. Once you have received your payment, your package will be activated successfully. After your successful payment, kindly visit to SeekaHost India client dashboard. There you can see the services option. Kindly click on that. So here you can select the package which you have purchased now. So kindly click on the manage option. So here you can see login to cPanel, login to webmail, and then change password options to change your password. So right now we are going to log into your cPanel. So just kindly click on login to cPanel. So it will take to you to relate your cPanel dashboard. Website you can see the site builder, social media management, WordPress management, site quality monitoring, and WordPress manager by SoftwareClose. So we are going to manage the WordPress using SoftwareClose. So kindly click on the WordPress manager by SoftwareClose. So it will take to you SoftwareClose dashboard. There you can see your WordPress were already installed because while purchasing the package. So in the traditional information we have entered the details. So based on that the WordPress was created. So kindly click on the login option to log into your WordPress dashboard. After clicking the login, it will take you to onboarding process. So you can create your website using soft WPA. So first it will ask you name of the website. So enter your website name. So I'm leaving as it is my blog and choose category. So what's the business category? Say if it is a business, e-commerce, photography or portfolio or insight, choose the category as per your business. So I am going to create this just as hosting. So website language. So in which language you are going to create. So it's a default for English. So if you are going with some other languages, you can choose the language. So next one, use a builder to generate content. Yeah, just enter your website about. So just enter the things. So I have entered those things. So after entering the things, just click on the get started. So here it will ask you some communication methods to prefer. So enter your email address and then your phone number and enter your full addresses of your company. So after entering those things, you can see the more for social media profiles. If you have social media profiles, you can enter your social media URLs here. So after entering those things, kindly click on the continue. So here you can see the what are you looking to achieve a new website. So these are the plugins which are already we are having. So you can use the plugins to install. So these are some paid plugins. So you can here install it as free. So enable the plugins and click on the continue. Next step, you can select your website images. So as per your category, that soft WPA will allocate some random images to you. So you can use those images for your website. If you have own images for your website, you can use upload your images option. There you can upload your image and use it for your website. I'm going to use the image which he has given. So here you can see the selected images. So go to search results. You can have to select minimum 10 to 15 images to develop your website. So select the images as per your website needs. So kindly select the images and click on continue. So after selecting your images, then it will ask you to choose a design. So it will show you some different options. So you can select the option which you want to develop your website. So kindly select the designs which you want to import your website. So wait for some imports. So it will take some time. So you can see here that pages are one by one uploading. So everything is done. Just click on the import the content. So once you are entered, so it will start to build your website. So just wait for up to 100%. Once your website is fully built, then it will become a live. See, you are completed all so installed successfully. Here you can see visit website and then WordPress dashboard. If you need any assistance, you can click on the assistant things. So right now I'm clicking the visit website. So my website is ready. You can see the website how we build it using soft WPAI. So use the same process to build your WordPress site. I hope this video helps you to how to build your WordPress site using soft WPAI. If this video helps you, please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe.